In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Ford F-150. We are working with the 5.4 liter V8, and I'm only going to show you how to replace one because the process for all of them is exactly the same and they're all easy to get to. If you need this or any other part, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. Let's unplug the ignition coil, press on the locking tab over here, pull the connector up, and then the ignition coil has a little 7mm bolt right there. Take a socket with a long extension and remove it. It's very small, try not to drop it anywhere. Set it aside safely. And now you should be able to take the ignition coil, pull it straight up. There it is. There's a lot of debris here. I'm going to use a vacuum cleaner and vacuum all this up. If you have compressed air and you'd rather blow it out, go ahead and use a blow nozzle and get rid of all that debris. Take your ignition coil. I like to apply a little bit of silicone paste on the end of it. Slide the ignition coil down, make sure it's facing the right way. Press it onto that spark plug. Line it up with the bolt hole. I'm going to connect the electrical connector while I'm at it. And now we can put this bolt down. Start it into the threads here. Make sure it threads in smoothly. Bottom it out. That's bottomed out right there. Give it another 1/8 of a turn at most. Just make it nice and snug. And there you have it. At this point, you do the same exact procedure to the rest of the cylinders. So there you have it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like. And if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our future content. Thanks for watching.